Wow!
Huh?
Oh! Oh! I'm going to make a cute 3D sticker squishy. Hit the like button and I'll share the full tutorial with you. Let's do this together, friends! Let's go! I've got a scrub brush ready. I chose a rough scrubber. Cut it into 4 equal pieces, each about 3 centimeters in diameter. I'll round off the corners. Hurry up! I just cut off the corners on both sides. Ta-da! I've prepared all 4 of them nicely and round. I prepared 4 different colored slimes. Let's open the slime. Oh, isn't the color absolutely gorgeous? These stretchy, springy slimes that stretch like cheese will be combined with a round sponge. You have to press firmly with your hands to get the slime into the holes between the scrubber bristles. I'll prepare 4 sheets of plastic wrap and wrap it up for you. Please make sure no air is left inside at this point. Trim off any unnecessary tape sections and secure them with tape to prevent them from coming loose. I prepared some thick paper. I've sketched it out simply with a pencil. Now I'll finish the drawing with a black marker. Drawing Sprunki Simon. Oh! I'll draw a cute pinky on the left side. So cute! This time, I'll draw a chic gray. Yeah! I'll draw the Sprunki 3D sticker letters with a thick outline and color them in. Oh no! I left out the C in the spelling! Oh dear. I'll make the outline thicker to emphasize the picture. Hurry up! Time to cleanly erase the pencil lines and add color. Pink. Let's have fun coloring! Yay! Yellow. Gray. Wow! Adds rainbow colors to the letters. I'll finish the drawing by adding dotted lines around the paper border. I'll finish the drawing by adding dotted lines around the paper border. I'm going to draw with a black acrylic pen. The surface is not smooth, so please draw the line multiple times to connect it. Who will be drawn on the purple ball? Take a guess. Draw 2 horns and fins too. It was the cute duffel, you see. You know who the green ball is, right? Big round eyes and a pointy head. That's right, it's Owax. I'm going to draw an orange on the orange bowl. Isn't that cute little haircut adorable? Haha. Four adorable Sprunki balls are complete. finish the 3D sticker book. Oh, let's play with it.
No.
Wow, this is so much fun. Hey everyone, don't these Sprunki 3D sponge stickers look super fun? Making your own squishy ones would be really fun too. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button. Prepare your notes. Create a rectangle to fit the size of the vinyl opening. Draw a line with a black pen over the pencil line you sketched. Hurry up! Subscribe and like your Lappin' friends. Let's draw some cute Sprunki friends. Draw some cute underwater friends too. Want me to draw you an underwater villainous friend? I'm going to have fun coloring. Yes! Hurry up! Ding, ding, ding. I'll cut it all off with my scissors. I'll draw seaweed and coral on a clear plastic bag. Oh! Don't forget to subscribe and like if you enjoyed it. Smooth, smooth, smooth. We made a spunky aquarium.
Subscribe! Like! Click!
Hi, Pinky. Oh, what's going on with Pinky's face, friends? Tell your friends to help Pinky. Let's go! Make sure to subscribe and like first. Why is Pinky's face so swollen? Yikes, Pinky's nose is the worst. Luckily, I don't seem to have a fever. Let's dress Pinky in a gown. Prepare the tray. I'll use tweezers to pull out the stuck tissue. Oh, no! Oops! What do I do with this? I have a whole bunch of green snot I don't even want to touch. Yuck! Pinky's snot is just puffing up. Ugh, I feel weird. Ugh, I hate it so much. Don't your friends hate runny nose? Pinky, I'm sorry. I can't touch it. I'll clean it up quickly with a tissue. Throw this away. I'll remove the one on your nose, too. Oh, throw this away, too. No, Pinky, you didn't even trim your nose hairs? Pinky, you have to suck it up even when it hurts. You look sick to your friends, don't you? Oops. Let's switch tools to tweezers. Oh! Aw, Pinky, that hurt, but it felt so cool to get it all out. Let me check inside your nose. I can't see it. What do I do? I'll hold it in place with a pair of tongs so you can see inside your nostrils.
Action!
Not so easy to get rid of snot. Clean up those nasty cold viruses. Ugh, it's a powerful virus, and it's not easy to get rid of it. Your friends should also be careful of colds. Oh, the inside of my nostrils are clean now. Nasal irrigator for extra cleaning. Ta-da! Wow, the swelling in my nose has gone down. Pink eye is better too. Now that I can smell and taste again, Pinky, let's eat everything you want. Grilled fish. Salad. Shrimp bowl. Skewers. Spaghetti. Hot sauce. Sushi. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you enjoyed it. Friends, How did you like today's Pinky story? Stay tuned for the next fun story.
Subscribe! Like! Quick click!
Not enough. I'll restore Horror Veneria to its original state. There are bugs too. I absolutely hate bugs. I'll get rid of them right away. Still not satisfied with the design? Veneria's expression still looks bad. I wonder why. If you like the original Venera, hit subscribe and I'll bring more fun videos next time. Bye!